Hello students, in our previous classes we were studying about manufacturing industry chapter 6. In this chapter first we have studied about the meaning of manufacturing. Manufacturing means the processing of raw materials into more valuable product. After that we have studied the importance of manufacturing, how agriculture and industry go hand in hand. We have also studied about the contribution of industry to national economy. We have studied about industrial location. In this portion, we have studied different factors which affect the location of any industry. The factors like availability of raw materials, labor, capital, power, and market. Other factors like government policies, a good network of transportation. After that, we have studied about the classification of industries. Industries are classified on the basis of raw materials, on the basis of their main role, on the basis of capital investment, on the basis of ownership, on the basis of bulk and weight of raw materials and finished good. After that, we have studied about the agro-based industries. In agro-based industries, we have studied about textile industry, such as cotton textile and jute textile. In agro-based industry, we have also studied about sugar industry. Today, we will study about mineral-based industries. It means the industries which use minerals and metals as their raw material. These industries are called as mineral-based industry. Some examples like iron industries, petrochemical industries, cement industries comes under mineral-based industries. First is iron and steel based industry. Iron and steel industry is also called basic industry, as all other industries are dependent on iron and steel industry. Heavy, medium and light depend on it for their machinery. Other industry use different kinds of machines which are manufactured in iron and steel industry. So iron and steel industry is known as basic industry. Steel is needed to manufacture a variety of engineering goods, construction materials, defense, medical, telephonic, scientific equipment and variety of consumer goods. Production and consumption of steel is often regarded as the index of a country's development. It means a country's development is dependent on production and consumption of steel. Iron and steel is a heavy industry, as the raw materials which is used by iron and steel industry is also heavy as well as very bulky, which cause heavy transportation cost. Iron ore, coking coal and limestone are required in ratio of approximately 4:2:1. Some quantities of manganese are also required to harden the steel. Where should the steel plant be ideally located? Remember that the finished product also need an efficient transport network for their distribution to markets and consumers. In 2016, with 95.6 million tons of crude steel production, India ranked third among the world crude steel producer. Crude steel means steel in the first solid state after melting. In the production of crude steel, India ranked third position. It is the largest producer of sponge iron. Sponge iron is produced from the direct reduction of iron ore into iron by a reducing gas or through reaction with carbon in the form of coal, etc. In 2016, per capita consumption of steel in the country was only around 63 kg per annum, against the world average of 208 kg.